So what happens sometime when you're browsing on Facebook or Instagram and you find out that you have only 10-15 minutes left for your class or your work? Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to show you a very easy and quick makeup tutorial. This is something that I tend to go for on a daily basis, and yeah, it's a pretty much makeup that I wear in a lot when I go to class or work. If you'd like to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going in and moisturizing my skin with the Embryolisse cream concentrate just to make sure that my skin is nice and moisturized. And this cream is perfect for all type of skin. I'm not forgetting to moisturize the lips as well, and I used this Baker Lip Balm here. Then straight onto the face, here I am using Becca Backlight priming filter. This is a very good primer. You can use any primer of your choice. I love this primer so much because this primer will give me a healthy glow and hydration all day. When I am in hurry, I never use a foundation. I just apply concealer. So I'm gonna apply a concealer where I have acne spot or pimple or my dark circle and my pigmentation. Recently I'm loving this concealer. This is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and the shade is C10. This one is very close to my skin tone, as you can see, and I'm applying this under my eye area. And to blend this concealer, I am using my sponge from Sephora. This sponge came with this set of 4 makeup sponges, and here I'm using my sponge damp, not dry, and I'm blending my concealer here. This concealer has a full coverage, and I have already mentioned this on my previous video that this concealer is a dupe of Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And now I am applying this concealer around my mouth area where I have pigmentation, and I am blending my concealer with the same sponge again. And then I am dabbing this sponge all over my face. And now I am going to pop this concealer on my pimple and my spots. And I'm just dabbing this with my finger. And now I'm taking my LA Pro Girl concealer, and the shade is yellow, and I'm applying this little bit under my eye area, on my forehead, on my upper lips and my chin. And I'm not applying this concealer in a traditional way when I do my highlighting. I'm just applying a tiny amount here, and then I'm blending with the same sponge. I will set my concealer with this powder. This is Natural Collection Matte Face Powder, and my shade is Warm. And this is a very good mattifying powder. Here I am using the sponge again, and I am applying this on my face. As you can see, I am dabbing this sponge on my face. This powder will give me a good coverage, as well as it gonna set my face, and it will reduce any shine from my face. Now moving on to my eyebrow, I'm using MAC eyebrow pencil, and the shade is Spike, and I'm just drawing my eyebrow a little bit. As you can see, I have already tinted my eyebrow with Maybelline Brow Tattoo Tint, and this is my second day. That's why I don't need to do too much for my eyebrows, because when you are in hurry, you don't have time for your eyebrows, right? Here I'm using a spoolie to comb my eyebrows. Now I am curving out my eyebrows with the same yellow concealer with a flat concealer brush. Trust me, it will take only a minute to do, and everyone will think that you made an effort to do your makeup. And this step will make such a difference for those who don't pluck their eyebrows. And use your sponge again to blend your concealer. And now I will contour my face with this shade from NYX Contour Kit. Contouring is totally optional. If you don't want to do this, then you can skip this part. But for me, contouring is a very essential for everyday makeup. So if you don't want to contour your face, that's fine, but don't forget your blush, okay? So here I am using a Natural Collection blush and the shade is Peach Melba and this shade is very pretty. So here I'm taking the same brush which I did my contour with and I'm sweeping this on the backside of my hand and I'm removing excess color, and with the same brush I'm applying the blush on my cheeks. See, you don't need so many brushes to do your face makeup. And this time you will be surprised that I am not going to use any beaming highlighter. Rather than I'm going to use a very subtle highlighter, and I'm taking this shade called Mean Money from Fenty Beauty Kilawatt Highlighter Duo, and I am applying this on my usual places like cheekbone, bridge of my nose, on my upper lips and my chin. And yes, I'm using the same brush here. Before going to apply some mascara, I am curling my eyelashes with a eyelash curler. And today I'm going to use this waterproof mascara from Natural Collection. This brand is a very affordable brand. You should give it a try if you haven't already. This is a very good mascara as well, and I am applying this on my upper lashes and lower lashes as well. And now I will show you a very useful trick. Here I'm scraping off excess mascara from the wand, and now I'm going to comb my eyebrows with this. Yes, this is going to set your mascara for all day long. See, multitasking. Oh, now I have to apply a lipstick. You know, when I am in hurry, I have to choose between a matte lipstick or glossy lipstick, but I choose the glossy one because it's easy to apply and you don't need to be very precise, right? I am not a gloss person, trust me, but I don't know what happened to me. I am keep going back to this gloss. This is a MAC lip gloss and the shade is Spice. Finally, you have to set your face with a setting spray, but when you are in a hurry, you won't have time to spray the setting spray and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Rather than, I'm spraying the setting spray on my sponge and I am dabbing this all over my face. This is gonna do the exact same job but only in 15 seconds. See? So quickly I'm going to brush my hair with this detangler. This is a very good way to comb your hair when you are in hurry and when you have so much tangle in your hair. And yeah, here I am done. So should I show you another trick for those who wear glasses every day like me? I know the struggle when your makeup comes off from your nose area just because you're wearing glasses. So what I do, I take a tiny bit of loose powder, make sure it's translucent like this Natural Collection loose powder, and apply this on your nose area with an eyeshadow brush and just blending the loose powder on your nose area and then wear your glasses. Your nose will be secure for the rest of the day. So here I am done. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you will get a notification every time when I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on all of my social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. So see you all in my next tutorial. Till then, bye.